Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be discussing the battery equivalent of the AG2 watch battery or the 396. As you can see here, we have a bunch of different names that belong to the same watch battery type. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below so that you can go and purchase them online. But if you find these exact names online, they are going to be the exact same battery. You can also find it under the name of SR59, SR726, or even SR726SW. 396 and 397 are also going to be AG2. So that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today, guys. You can now go online and purchase the correct watch battery type for your watch. As you can see here on the table, I have a bunch of battery types, so watch battery types. And I'm going to make separate videos with each watch battery type and their equivalent. If you are interested in seeing more and if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel because I post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. I'm going to see you on the next one.